Time for a full face of makeup, starting with the Moxie foundation. This stuff reminds me of the It Cosmetics CC cream. If you guys really like that, then you guys would really like this too. You guys can see how beautiful this is just from the before and after. I almost forgot to add my Pixie CC crayon under my eye. I love doing this to correct all the blue that I have under my eyes. For concealer, I'm using the Mega Concealer from Moira. This is the first time I've actually ever used this, so hopefully I like it. Oh wow, okay, this blended out really nice right away. Look at that. For our cream bronzer, I'm using the NARS Laguna bronzer. For blush, I'm using this new blush trio from One Size. And look how beautiful that came out. Time to set the face. I'm going to use the Soft Focus Setting Powder from Sigma. This is a beautiful, beautiful powder. I'm gonna use a sponge to set my face. As you can see, the before, lots of texture and shine. The after is smooth and looks like a filter. I wanna tone down a little bit of the powderiness of the foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead with a little bit of a setting mist, and I'm going to just pop this on. This is going to make the skin look a lot more lifelike. I'm going to use the Rare Beauty highlighter. Oh, look how stunning these are. This is in shade Exhilarate. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look how freaking beautiful that is. We're going back to the 2016 Cheek Glaze, okay? If you don't mind a small amount of glitter in your highlighter, this one I highly recommend. So here's the completed base of my makeup look. Y'all, these products are fire. All these products worked out and they just all look so beautiful. Like, look at this skin and that glow.